Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and tap on battery section. Over here you need to click on advanced settings and click on this switcher next to high performance mode. After that, tap on OK in this pop-up, and now as you can see, higher performance is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same now green switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!